If you're considering Vultr block storage for your hosting needs, you're probably weighing it against options like AWS, Google Cloud, and DigitalOcean. But what makes Vultr stand out? Stick around as we dive into the 12 key things you should know before buying, and by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of whether it's the right choice for you. First thing, Vultr block storage offers a highly scalable and flexible solution. Unlike some of its competitors, Vultr lets you scale your storage up or down based on your needs, all through an intuitive interface. This flexibility can save you money compared to services that lock you into a fixed storage plan. Next thing, it's incredibly affordable. Vultr's pricing starts at just $1 per month for 10 GB, which is lower than AWS and Google Cloud, especially when you consider how much storage you get for the price. If you're working with a tight budget, Vultr provides an economical option without compromising on performance. The third thing, Vultr offers a simple setup process. Unlike AWS, which can be overwhelming with its complicated dashboard, Vultr's user interface is straightforward, making it a great option for beginners. You won't need to spend hours just setting up your storage. Next thing, Vultr provides solid performance. Its block storage comes with SSD-backed disks, ensuring faster read and write speeds compared to traditional hard drives, putting it on par with competitors like DigitalOcean. Whether you're hosting websites or storing critical data, performance is reliable. The fifth thing, they offer a pay-as-you-go model. This means you pay only for the storage you actually use, unlike some providers who require upfront payments or long-term contracts. This can be a huge advantage for startups or projects with fluctuating storage needs. Next thing, Vultr gives you the ability to attach storage volumes to existing instances easily. This is a feature that can be more complex with AWS or Google Cloud, so if you need to add storage to your server quickly, Vultr makes it simple. The seventh thing, Vultr's block storage is highly secure. They offer automated backups and encryption, ensuring your data is safe. While some competitors charge extra for backup features, Vultr includes them in the price, making it an even better deal. Next, Vultr's block storage is globally available. With data centers across multiple countries, you can easily pick the location closest to your audience or customer base. This reduces latency and improves load times, especially compared to smaller providers. The ninth thing is that Vultr has 99.99% uptime, which is crucial for businesses that rely on uninterrupted access to data. While no provider guarantees 100% uptime, Vultr's reliability is competitive with other major players in the cloud storage space. Next, if you're migrating from another platform, Vultr makes it easy. Their API and CLI support are well documented, allowing for smoother transitions compared to platforms like AWS, which can be a bit more cumbersome. The 11th thing, Vultr doesn't lock you into long-term contracts. This is a huge plus compared to providers like Google Cloud, which require you to commit to a certain level of usage, even if your needs change. With Vultr, you can scale up or down as needed, offering more flexibility. Finally, while Vultr is a great option for many users, it might not be the best for very large enterprises. If you require enterprise-level features like advanced machine learning, big data analytics, or extensive multi-cloud capabilities, you may want to look at AWS or Google Cloud, which provide more specialized services. In conclusion, Vultr block storage is an excellent choice if you're looking for cost-effective, scalable, and secure storage. But if you're looking for something with more advanced features or deeper integrations, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.